Welcome to our channel, The English Learner. If you are interested in learning the English language, you're in the right place. Embark on a journey that transcends borders and languages as we dive into the fascinating world of language learning and cross-cultural connections. At The English Learner, we're dedicated to empowering you with the tools, insights, and inspiration you need to excel in your language journey. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, our content is tailored to meet your language learning goals. Join us as we navigate the intricacies of vocabulary, grammar, speaking fluency, and cultural nuances. Our mission is to make language learning enjoyable, accessible, and an integral part of your personal growth. As you explore our videos, you'll discover tips from experienced educators, engaging activities, real-life conversations, and a wealth of resources to guide you towards language mastery. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to join our vibrant community of language enthusiasts, learners, and explorers. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update that could propel you further on your linguistic journey.